This question asks for a ground state electronic configuration. Give the ground state electronic configuration for acetine. Okay, this is ground state electronic configuration. In this question we were asked to give a ground state electronic configuration for acetine number 85. The first thing that you need is your Aufbau diagram. So you have to be able to recreate this from memory. So we begin with 1s. This needs to be nice and neat as well, or else it's not going to line up and work for you. So 1s, underneath you have 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 3d, 4s, 4p, 4d, 4f. So you need to know your energy levels and your subshells. When we get to the fifth energy level, we have 5s, 5p, 5d, 5f, and we don't need to keep increasing once we get to 5. In fact, once we get to 6, 6s, 6p, 6d is all we need, and 7s, 7p. And then it's very important to know that we don't read this left to right like a line of text. We need to read it on diagonals that go from the top right to the bottom left. This line followed by this. So it's 1s followed by 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s, 3d, 4p, 5s, 4d, 5p, 6s, 4f, 5d, 6p, 7s, 5f, 6d, and 7p. We also need to know the capacity of our subshells. S's can hold at most 2 electrons, P's can hold 6, D's can hold 10, and F's can hold 14. So our target is to do acetine. We look it up on the periodic table and we see its atomic number is 85. We can also look at the position of acetine in the periodic table, and we find that it's in the 6th row and in a p subshell. So we know that the last subshell to contain electrons will be the 6p. And it's the 5th from the left, so it should end in 6p5. So if I do its configuration, I'm going to fill every subshell until I get there. So 1s with 2 electrons is filled, followed by 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, and notice this is really important. After 3p, I actually fill 4s. 3p6, 4s2. I don't read it left to right like a line of text. I go to 4s, then to 3d, 3d10, 4p6, 5s2. After 5s, I continue with 4d, 4d10, 5p6, 6s2. Then we continue with 4f, 4f14, 5d10, and we said we stop when we get to 6p holding 5. Now if I did everything right, my electrons should add up to 85. You could have also done it by counting until you got to 85 and check the position as your check. But since you can do it 2 ways, one will serve as a check on the other. 2, 4, 10, 12, 18, 20, 30, 36, 38, 48, 54, 56, 70, 80, 85. So I did get 85. It does end in 6p5, the correct position on the table, so I'm pretty sure I got it right. But check it out, make sure I did it right, and if I didn't, let me know.